to make anything 3D in Alight Motion. Here's how I made this gun 3D in Alight Motion and how you can make anything 3D. First, I'm importing an image of a gun. We can make it 3D using an effect. Go to the 3D category and add the raster extrude effect. In the raster extrude settings, you have the orientation and rotation controls to move the object. However, there's something special about the orientation property. If you swipe on the preview, the object will move. An important setting to adjust is the depth. This controls how thick the extrusion will be. Everything else here is basic. Now let's fix the issue with those weird colored lines in the extrusion. This isn't caused by the light source, but setting the shading to flat helps remove the flat 2D look. In the interior settings, increasing interior applies the chosen interior color to the extrusion. You can change this color to match your object. You can also increase fade to add lighting along the sides of the extrusion. Now that the gun looks better, let's animate it. Add a keyframe to start the animation, then move the object using orientation or rotation to animate it. You can create some really cool edits with this. What if you apply this to a character? Yes, it's flat 2D. But the good thing is, it works really well on text layers.